Okay, Jaeger, jump out.
Yep. Yep. Boy, Jaeger.
It's slippery as hell, dude. Whoa.
Cool. Dude, stop pushing, stop pushing.
Okay.
Hey, thanks a million, dude.
No problem, boy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, not yet. Oh shit.
Alright. There's a rough landing. Alright.
On our island, man. What an adventure.
Dude.
Started with a soaking wet pan.
Also, I forgot my jacket, man.
You did?
I forgot my jacket.
Where is it?
In the boot of the car.
No way.
Right, so what are we doing, man?
We go on this piece?
Yeah, or we gotta go for a swim to the... There's a little beach there, you can see it.
It's maybe a better idea to start off, no?
Yeah, because it's all reeds up there, sure.
And I already have an open leg.
No.
That'll be the finest, the least of the problems now. You, yeah. Okay, man. That beach over there, it is. Ow, man, it's so sharp.
No. Why don't you tie your boots, put it around your neck? Like the smooth gappie.
Because I'm not the smooth happy, you know.
Oh, there goes one boot. Screws?
Looks quite unnatural, doesn't it?
It does.
Yeah, I see rocks. Oh. Well, shit, Owl. Oh god, man. This is not working out, it's too deep.
Dude, the microphone. Dude, your jacket.
Yeah, well, can I help it anymore? Oi, oi, oi. Made it for sure.
Alright, man. Everything is well soaked.
Keep it up.
Smooth gefixt, ouwe.
Take care about nature. So 1 year later after the previous dual survival.
Yeah, redemption time.
Redemption is right.
Brand spanking new location.
An island.
We have a backpack each with camera gear.
Just camera gear.
And dog food. I brought dog food
Good
like
dog.
the last time.
Yes, the dog gets food.
We'll make sure we film it this time.
He's a happy dog.
One item each.
Jaeger.
We got the pocket knife here.
And these were the winning tools from the shelter battle, which you made the best shelter. Check out that video on the end.
We got the axe and the pocket knife.
That will do. No fishing kit, no fishing line this year. So we have to make cordage, fishing hooks, etc. Maybe fishing traps. That's gonna be big challenge, guys. Big challenge. I think we got work to do, man. It's late.
Let's go, let's go.
Like usual.
Gappie.
Huh?
Kom eens helpen, ouwe.
Wat is er?
Ik zit vast, ouwe. Come on now.
You got it. What are you gonna do?
I'm stuck, dude. No, don't pull it.
In your ear?
Ah!
Oh, let me see. Wait. This is inconvenient, isn't it?
This guy. Is it bleeding? I walked past this little guy. Feel the hooks on this, man.
We stay on this side or we go to the other side?
Ready for a nap, man?
Ready for a nap? I don't think so. Yeah, that's sad again. Even on an island. What the heck? Easy survival. Bad humans. Not too bad, is it? Is the hole?
Most of it is recyclable too, like glass, aluminium.
People messing around. Okay, I guess we leave this
part aside.
graveyard of sorrow behind.
I hope this is worth it. Briars and brambles. Horns. And more briars.
Back in the water.
The island part we were left on wasn't uninhabited.
Yeah.
We were supposed to be dropped off on the wild island beside it, so we decided to make it there through the water.
Yes. This will be hard to cross, maybe, man.
It looks deep, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, like where Jaeger is now, you can't even see the bottom anymore.
It's a swim job, man. It's a swim job.
Yeah, but not so great with our equipment. We cannot swim, no.
No swim. No can do.
Tripod is in the water.
Yeah, well, this is not going well here, is it?
Nope.
Well, we go this way then a little bit. Ooh. Why did we choose an island, Dylan? Whose plan was this?
Through that stuff on bare feet. I'm not sure about that either. It'll cut you up like razor blades.
We want to go up there.
It does look nice, but we have no idea if it is actually nice. It's
Wow.
just that everything we've seen so far is crap.
Yeah. So you want to swim?
I don't know, man. It seems less effort than walking through all that shit all the way around.
With the stuff on top.
It's a bit dodgy, isn't it?
My t-shirt is now safe. Sorry about the nudity, and the farmer tan is real. Look. This madness, man.
What do you mean?
This is absolute madness. There's fishies eating shit off your feet. That's quite amazing.
I think I like it.
Look at this guy go. Oh.
It's not on purpose, it's just for survivability here.
I think if someone sees us, they're definitely gonna ring Coast Guard.
Why?
So there's two guys tripping on drugs, on rocks.
Yes, okay, keep this in the air, but this is heavy, man. This is tricky, Owl.
Yeah, dude.
It's the camera gear, it's not waterproof. Okay, man.
It's dodgy as hell, but we don't have much choice.
What the heck, Owl? It's going too deep. We build ourselves a little raft.
Yeah, dude.
I'm on my toes now. You better be a long lanky here. Woo! I'm going deep, man. How's the drone bag doing?
On the edge.
No, man, it's getting deeper. My shoes! My shoes are floating. No, I already made water. My freaking shoes, man.
Oh, dude, up! Put it up!
I'm going too deep, Owl.
Yeah, okay, evac.
I'm stuck in this freaking plants, Owl.
Dude, keep up the bag, keep up the bag.
But my shoes, they are soaking. It's just my head above the water now. You won't be long enough for this, man.
Yeah. I'm doing alright, I guess. I found a stone.
Ow! Bad place to stay. Ow, the ground is ugly here.
Ugly?
But Gabi, we're not on the other side yet.
I know,
We've made no progress.
I know.
Just freaking. Hey, this
Dude,
is heavy.
your head is wet.
Yes, my head is soaking.
How?
Because things got bad.
And there's water in your bag. Oh my god.
Yeah, well, we're nearly there. We're about halfway.
I have to do my boots on, man.
Jesus Christ! Massive fish. There's a massive fish.
What did it?
Well, it jumped away right in front of me. Shit was getting nasty. This is one of the most things I've ever done.
Look at the thing. Anyway.
I hope it was worth it. This land anyway.
Stinging needles.
Nettles.
Stinging nettles.
Nettles.
Yeah.
Yeah, link it in.
Ah.
Dude, I'm up, man. I fell over at one stage.
In the water.
Yeah. I gotta see what the damage is.
I gotta see that as well. This thing is a bit too. Yeah, the drone bag, it's soaking.
Right, yo, starting to get tired. It's late, way too late.
As far, this is the best place we got.
It's rough.
Yeah.
Don't like it, but it's the best we got.
The whole island is rough, but
Yeah.
it also means a lot of materials, a lot of different species, a lot of vines, a lot of.
True. I don't care anymore for today. We have to make fire and we have to make a shelter.
That's right.
So you're going for fire?
Yes.
I'll start making a shelter.
Carving the bow drill. This is going to be the hard bore. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Dylan is having struggles. Bad word from the bushes. Thought this was gonna be the spindle. Hey, that's handy. Pocket knife. Yay, happy. Last year I think we also used a bit too big of a spindle. So this time thumb size, a little bit less even. Oops. Actually, this blade can be locked. I don't like that for the bush now, but it's legal carry, so.
Found bedding, man.
Found bedding? Ooh, not too shabby. Like it.
There's bunches of it over there.
Okay, cool.
I don't feel too well, man.
I do.
You do?
Yeah, I feel really well. I think things will be very good.
I hope they will.
Huh? Yeah.
I feel like shit.
You expected it better than it is here?
Yeah.
What do you expect?
I don't know, man. I thought it would be like more grassy fields and like, you know, nice materials. And like,
I think the materials are lovely here, man. Don't you think?
no.
Why not?
I don't know, man. It's just like.
I think you're a bit complaining now.
Maybe.
I'm very positive at the moment. I even like it. I like it a lot.
That is cool. That is cool.
It seems like there are more mosquitoes here than midges. I would call that an upgrade.
I guess.
Mosquitoes for the win.
Mosquitoes for the win.
nice one, man. Awesome hour.
Yeah, you up though, didn't it?
Yeah, I remember that from last year now. Okay, I'm ready, set, go, man.
Right.
Sorry, cleared the ground, got a little fire base here. It's going very well. Will do. We have a nice hole drilled in. We got a bird nest, just a little bit of grass, the fine stuff, bigger stuff, and one size up. And here I made the notch, about 1/3 in, 30° in wide. Okay, it should be good to go. Now your body position is very important. Your shoe as close as possible to the hole, then your leg just behind this one, but still keep balance like that. And now maybe that is in the way, and it is. This is all in the way, so we need to make room. But we have to be careful for our tinder. Now this arm should be nicely close to your leg, so it's well supported. And this arm should be free to go in a long stroke, in line with your body. Not like this, but in line with your body. And this battery died, so we have to replace that one, and we'll be back with fire. What's happening? Dylan, are you okay? How did that go?
Bad. I completely wrecked my fingers. And then on the way back, guess what happened? Huh? Ain't that just lovely? Look.
Sorry, buddy.
Oh, yes.
Okay, but now the moral will go up a lot because fire will be there soon. Okay,
what
man.
do I do with this fucking finger now?
Take it easy, take a break.
Bleeding like a pig.
Okay, man, I'm ready.
Off you go. Carry on. Let it breathe, man. Breathe.
It's a small one. Pity again, isn't it? We're close enough.
A lot of dust. It's alright, man. If we get it a second try, I'm happy. Good enough. I should be a roof thatcher.
Are you proud of your work?
Well,
Shouldn't you first break these off a bit?
what?
Well, it's not raining anyway, but if it would be raining, then this is bad because now it leaks in.
Boots, man.
Just boots, man. I'm used to it. Always wet boots. Always. Always. Always on trip in Ireland. I have wet boots.
Horrible, dude.
More spit. That might be the solution. All those bits and pieces out of the freaking way. good ember. So we have. Now slowly, slowly, isn't that right? Keep the board in place. Really? You think I did something very noob here?
She got it?
Yeah.
Right, well, that means another load of breeds for me anyway.
Okay.
With wet boots.
I don't know what I have with fires when you are near me.
Oh, it's me! Well, I'm about to leave you, so you better make it right.
We got an ember again, but immediately it is out again. Enlarging the notch a bit. Apparently we got a lot of dust, so did go the same.
It went out again, or the same as in you made a boo-boo?
A boo-boo.
You made a boo-boo.
What is a boo-boo?
A boo-boo is boo-boo.
And the other thing is, you know, this string, it works less than paracord, that's for sure. Just a normal boot lead.
It's a pity, man. I smelled something over there. I was like, oh. Is that Julius?
Yeah, I make a lot of smoke, that's what I do know.
All I know, I'm getting fairly thirsty now with all this mess.
Oh, smoke will be rising within the hour.
Within the hour. Wow.
That's realistic, isn't it?
Okay. I'll come back to you on that.
And the top is smoking earlier than the bottom.
After you fixed it?
Yeah. No, man. It goes out.
There's not enough power then. You know, not long enough, like.
Yeah.
You know? It's not strong enough, the ember. Final load of reed. This is your last chance, man.
And it's your turn.
After that, I have to get involved. So you ain't gonna be sore tomorrow, after all that swimming.
I really thought I did master this.
Mastered it?
Yes.
What?
I got the feeling since I gave a bow drill class and it went with no problem last 3 times, 4 times. But yeah, controlled environment, you see. And I guess I didn't master it after all.
Keep it up, dude. Keep it up.
That was your bootlace. Did you see that?
I did.
How about that?
It's time, man. It's time.
I know it's damn time it is. It's a bit disappointing. Oh well, keep it positive. It should be it. Hey, je krijgt het niet voor elkaar, man. Will you make a new spindle?
Mm-hmm. Alright, we'll give this a quick attempt. The midges are real Alright, well, Julius is getting new stuff.
A little more.
I don't think that was enough. There was all shit in the way.
Yeah.
Can you move this thing?
Happy. This looks nice. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give it 5 more. 5. Come on.
Too much slack. I think we can make it, man. I think we can make it. You know, just a few more seconds at the right...
Okay, but then we should do it with 2.
Yeah.
And the spindle gets shorter and shorter, man. Look at this.
No. We'll create a new one if you want. We're running out of time, man.
Yeah, I know, G, but it's unbelievable. I didn't expect this.
Did you not?
No. Today the boulder would be very easy. Yes, that's what I thought.
Well, it should be.
Well, it's never easy. You have to have some skills, that's for sure. We have to put on new quarters, man.
No, it was fine, man.
No, look.
No.
Look, it's true.
Well, it's worth it in attempt, right?
Well, it's wasting energy as well.
No, don't go messing with it now.
It
was grand, sure.
It
was like
wasn't.
that since the first time.
Things have to be perfect.
No.
Yes, only when things are perfect
No.
it will work out.
No.
Otherwise you'd be wasting energy.
No. Well, what did you do all afternoon then?
Making things perfect, but that was not good enough.
Yeah.
And now don't stop, and now stop being...
Nearly had it. It was a coin flip, 50-50. You know? Would have saved, we would have had a fire now, maybe. You know?
You have to take time to do it right.
You gonna make another one? Make it perfect?
Now you're not nice anymore to me.
No, of course not. Dude, it's nothing personal, but...
It is.
fucked up.
You should stop being grumpy to the other one.
Okay. You up for drilling first? Okay, Gabby, this is it, yeah? Don't do this shit. Yeah? Are you comfortable? Keep her there now. Keep her there. Small bit more now.
Nice.
A bit more. More.
Nice, man.
A bit more.
Keep on going. Very good. This is what we call smoke now.
Okay, I'm done.
Very good.
Things should pop up in flames now. So it should. Check out part 2 coming up next week and see if we make it through the night. The plan for the second day was crafting primitive fishing equipment, help us get some food. And of course, thanks for the support to the channel. Thanks for all your comments. Hope you all stay tuned and subscribe. And hope to see you on the next one, guys. Thanks a lot.